Get ready with me, makeup edition. Today I will try my new palette. Is Pro Slim Eyeshadow Palette Blushing Ocean from Catrice Cosmetics. And the inside looks amazing. I really like the colors, especially these two glittery ones. But today I will do a makeup based on pink. I will let the blue ones for another makeup. Like I usually say, creamy eyeshadow base from Douglas. When it comes to glitter, I'm really curious about the texture and also how pigmented it can get, considering it is very pigmented in the palette. That looks cool. I really like the color. I really like how it shows up. Again, my skin, it's a little bit more textured and I have freckles, so yeah, let's deepen the color a little bit, especially here on the crease. Now with a clean brush, something way lighter. Oh wow, this is way pigmented than I thought. And now let's finish the rest of the makeup. For the lips, I will do something that's similar to the eye. Perfect. For this makeup, I don't want to do any liner because I want the eyeshadow to be seen, but because of the formula of these eyeshadows that are way creamier and don't leave any residue, I can now put the eyeshadow on my lower part of the eye. And now I will do the mascara. This is how it looks finished. I really like the color, the shine, a little bit of holographic accents. I really enjoy this palette, and let me know what you think about this in the comments. And now let's put an outfit together that will match the makeup.